Hello students, welcome back to this chapter Internet Services. So in the last video I have discussed about the search engines. Okay, right? So what are search engines and what are the three components of search engines? So we'll discuss it in a description. The crawler, the index, the search algorithm. The search engines have automated programs known as crawlers or spiders or bots that automatically scan various websites and create indices of URLs, keywords, and links. That means what is the meaning of crawler? So crawlers are automated programs. That means they run automatically. They automatically scan various websites. If you want to search anything, you will write in the word related to that particular topic. That the crawler will search. Crawler will automatically scan various websites related to that URL, keywords means that word, and links. Okay, this is the work of crawler. So, and the other name is spider or bots. So how websites or pages are selected depends on how the crawler is set up for programmed. So how crawler is scanning the various websites. So it depends on how it is programmed, how the crawler is programmed. In many cases, crawlers are allowed to follow the links on a web page to find other relevant web pages. Okay, so this is one way that crawlers are allowed to follow the links. So it will follow the links, it will search the links of any web page related to that. Since web pages are updated frequently, the crawler returns to the site periodically to look for the changes. That means any website, it is updated by the programmer. Okay, so web developer. So crawler will always see time to time. It will go to their website and check it about the changes. So this is the work of crawler. Okay, understood? Next, when a user submits a search query, okay, when a user submits a search query, when he gives some word right in on the search engine, the software working on the search engine search algorithm goes through the index to find web pages that match the keywords and ranks the pages in terms of relevance. That means the software will work like that. The software will go one by one. It will go through the index one by one. It will search the web pages, the related words. It will search one by one in different web pages. Okay, search techniques like Boolean search commands. So these are the search techniques. Boolean search commands have been used by professionals for searching through traditional databases for years. So this is one of the technique which is used by many professionals to search through the databases. The most important Boolean operators are, you have read already in class 9, then Boolean operators are and, or, not. So let us discuss them properly. Okay, now see AND operator. So what is AND operator? And this operator is used when pages found in search must contain all the words you have specified. So this means AND operator is used when web pages found in the search must contain all the words you have specified. Suppose you have written one sentence in the search engine like what is the difference between letter addressing and number addressing. So you have searched in the Google like this. So AND operator is used when all the words in your sentence is matching. Okay, all the words will match, then AND operator will use. Thus, the search performed by using the AND operator can be described as match all search. For example, the search phrase virus and worms. So you have searched for this virus and worms. So looks for pages that contain both the words. So AND operator will looks for that type of pages who will contain these three words. Okay, these all words it will contain. So AND operator do like this searching. That means it will search those web pages who has all the keywords which you have typed for searching. So both the words virus and worms. So it will search both the words virus and worms. Some search engines use the plus symbol instead of and. So and means plus. For example, virus plus worms. Read the online help of the search engine before actually using the engine to find out whether and operator or a plus sign is to be used. So Understood? So AND operator is used how it will search all the words in the web page. Okay, understood? Now OR operator. OR operator means the pages found in the search must contain either of the words joined by the OR operator. That means suppose virus and worms. So OR will operator will find how it will find virus or worms. Any word if it gets, then it will show the result. Any of the word, either of the word, if it gets, then it will show the web page. Such kind of words search which are done by using the OR operator can also be described as match any search. Okay, match any search. Here it is written. For example, the search phrase virus or worms. Find pages that contain either virus or worms or both. That means so OR operator will search like this. It will search for virus or worms. Any word it gets, it will show the web page in this way. Okay, either or technique. Understood? Now NOT operator. This operator is used to search for web pages that do not contain the words prefixed with this operator. A search done with the NOT operator is described as an exclude search. For example, radiation not nuclear will find web pages on radiation but exclude pages on nuclear radiation. So NOR operator will exclude the some of the words. Okay. So and this is the example given: nuclear not radiation not nuclear. That means it will find the web page on radiation only, but it will exclude the web page on nuclear radiation. In this way, some search engine use the minus sign for this instead of not operator. Understood? Next is near. Near command is used in order to specify how close the terms should appear to each other in search results. Okay, so near command will use how it use the searching. It will see the near words, the similar meaning words. Okay, moon, near, river will display result that contain the words moon and river next to each other. So it will do like this. So the near words, the close words, it will search. So next is nesting. Nesting, and here two small brackets are given. Nesting allows you to build complex queries. So complex queries means difficult queries, difficult searching. You can say you can nest queries using parentheses. For example, the search phrase impeachment and Clinton or Johnson. That means the sentence, the phrase which are complex, which is written inside the bracket, which is written inside any comma. So it is combination of and or both. Will list all the pages containing impeachment Clinton or impeachment Johnson. That means it will show impeachment Clinton or impeachment Johnson, whatever it is. So nesting means one inside the other. Okay, so it can contain many operators together. So that is why it is called complex queries. Always use capital letters for operators. Okay, always use capital letters. And if you do not use capital letters for an operator in search phrase, the search engine treats the operator as just another word of search. Okay, so you have to use the capital letters for searching. That means not, nor, and. If you are giving, you should give in capital letters. Otherwise, it will treat them as simple words. Different search engines have additional operators that can use in search phrases. Okay. Next is using quotation to find specific phrases. That means you can write any word, any sentence inside the inverted comma. You can use quotation marks to find a particular phrase exactly as it appears in the search engine. Okay, same to same it will search the word or letter or the phrase. For example, typing Internet Explorer. So it is written inside the double quotation, that means inverted comma. With quotation will not display web pages that contain the term Internet or Explorer separately. So it will not search this separate words. It will search this combined word Internet Explorer because they are inside the quotation. You can combine quotations and search operators in a search phrase. For example, the search phrase Internet Explorer and Netscape Navigator. So you can combine the quotational words with and or. Okay, in this way also you can write. Find web pages that mention both the browser programs. That means this will search both the phrases, about both the phrases, Internet Explorer, then Netscape Navigator. Okay, in this way the search engine works. So these are the mechanism by which the search engine search any word, phrase, sentence, anything. Understood? So it's very complex. So it's very new for you. So try to read and again, try to understand it again and again. Okay. So till then, thank you for today.